When it comes to buying a car, most people focus on looks, comfort, or performance. But here's the truth. None of that really matters if your car keeps breaking down. What you really need is reliability. A dependable car doesn't just get you from point A to point B. It saves you money, reduces stress, and gives you peace of mind every single day. Some vehicles are built so tough, they've earned a reputation for lasting forever, logging hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. In today's video, we're diving into 5 cars that stand the test of time. These are the models known for legendary durability, and we'll break down exactly what makes them so special. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a car that has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable vehicles in history. For decades, it has been a bestseller around the globe, and much of that success can be credited to its legendary durability. Equipped with a nearly indestructible 1.8-liter engine, the Corolla can routinely reach more than 250,000 miles without major issues. Many owners have pushed theirs even further, often surpassing 400,000 kilometers with little more than routine maintenance. One of the secrets behind the Corolla's longevity is its use of a timing chain instead of a belt, which eliminates one of the most common and costly maintenance concerns in other vehicles. On top of that, annual maintenance costs remain surprisingly low, often averaging only a few $100s per year. Because the Corolla is sold in nearly every country, parts are abundant and inexpensive, making it easy for drivers to keep theirs on the road for decades. Beyond reliability, the Corolla also holds exceptional resale value, a sign of the trust it has built among generations of drivers. For anyone seeking a car that will simply never let them down, the Corolla is hard to beat. Number 2. Lexus LS. Luxury cars are often associated with comfort, technology, and prestige, but not always with long-term reliability. The Lexus LS is a rare exception. Unlike many of its European rivals that become increasingly costly to maintain as they age, the LS was engineered to be just as dependable as it is luxurious. From its smooth V8 engines to its refined hybrid powertrains, the LS delivers power and comfort while resisting the breakdowns that plague other high-end sedans. Owners of the Lexus LS often praise its ability to last more than 220,000 miles without significant problems. The car's build quality is remarkable, with interiors that remain quiet and composed even after years of use. Compared to luxury competitors like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series, which frequently demand expensive repairs, the LS shines as a model of efficiency and endurance. It proves that luxury does not need to come with endless repair bills, and that comfort can go hand in hand with longevity. For those who want a premium driving experience without sacrificing peace of mind, the Lexus LS is a shining example of how luxury can truly last. Number 3. Honda Accord. Few cars have built a stronger reputation for long-lasting value than the Honda Accord. Known as the everyday hero of the automotive world, the Accord offers a perfect balance of practicality, performance, and dependability. Whether equipped with its 4-cylinder or V6 engine, the Accord has been shown to last well beyond 280,000 miles with regular care. One of the keys to its longevity lies in its straightforward design. The Accord of this era has fewer complex electronic systems compared to modern sedans, which means fewer components that can fail. Mechanics love working on these cars because the engines are accessible and the parts are inexpensive, making repairs quick and easy. Even transmission problems, one of the most common concerns with aging cars, can often be avoided in the Accord simply by sticking to routine fluid changes. What makes the Accord special is how it blends reliability with comfort. It is not just a car built to survive the test of time. It is a car designed to be enjoyable to drive even decades after it leaves the showroom. For families, commuters, and anyone who values dependability, the Accord remains one of the most trusted choices in automotive history. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most popular SUVs in the world, and it is easy to see why. It offers the versatility of an SUV while maintaining Toyota's reputation for dependability. Families in particular have come to rely on the RAV4 for daily commutes, long road trips, and everything in between. What makes it stand out is its ability to deliver this practicality without demanding constant repairs. The RAV4 is well known for pushing beyond 250,000 miles while keeping maintenance costs relatively low. Even hybrid models, which many feared would be less durable, have proven themselves with battery packs that often last more than 300,000 kilometers before showing signs of wear. The RAV4 also retains one of the strongest resale values in its class, proving its long-term worth. This SUV provides more than just durability. It offers confidence. Whether you are driving through city streets or exploring rural backroads, the RAV4 performs consistently, offering safety and efficiency in a package that seems built to last forever. For anyone who wants an SUV that is reliable enough to keep up with the demands of family life, the RAV4 is an obvious choice. Number 5. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Sports cars are often criticized for being unreliable, but the Mazda MX-5 Miata breaks the mold. Known for its lightweight design and joyful driving experience, the Miata proves that fun and reliability can go hand in hand. Despite being a sporty roadster, it has a reputation for being one of the most dependable vehicles ever built. Many Miata owners report keeping their cars for decades, with some examples lasting over 185,000 miles without major issues. Part of this comes from the car's simplicity. With fewer electronics and a straightforward engine layout, there's simply fewer things that can go wrong. Even when repairs are needed, they tend to be affordable, with items like suspension and clutch replacements costing far less than in other sports cars. The Miata is more than just a car. It is a community. Owners often gather to share knowledge, trade parts, and keep their cars running well beyond expectations. Because of this strong support, many Miatas have become family heirlooms, passed down from one generation to the next. It's a perfect example of how driving enjoyment and reliability can come together in a single package. And there you have it. 5 cars that prove reliability never goes out of style. These models aren't just about driving. They are about peace of mind, longevity, and making every mile count. If you're looking for a vehicle that won't let you down, one of these could be the smartest investment you ever make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car insights, and share this with someone who's searching for their next dependable ride. Until next time, drive safe and take care.